Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Smart Cookies. My name is Paige.
And my name is Lauren.
And today we are going for the ultimate, massive, superior Yorkshire pudding.
Now these really are ultimate.
Oh yeah, they are big. For these Yorkshire puds, we are going to use salt, pepper, 8 eggs. I know it seems a lot, but we'll have to double the mixture because of the size of the mould. We've got 280 grams of plain flour and we have got 400 millilitres of milk. Now you're in for a cracking good time by cracking these eggs straight into our flour.
Now those are cracked. I'm going to go wash my hands and you're going to incorporate those eggs and flour into the mixture. We're not going to add the milk just yet.
And now that your mixture looks something like this, we are going to slowly add in the milk. Can you do that for me, please?
I shall.
And slowly, a little bit of a time, and incorporate all that mixture.
If you add the milk in all at once, you'll tend to have a lot of lumps come to the top of your mixture. That's why we're adding it in very, very slowly.
We're going to lastly add in our salt and pepper. A little bit more. Get a good look. And we are going to mix that all together.
Preheat your oven to 220 degrees or gas mark 7.
Now that our mixture is prepped and ready to go,
we're going to start with these 4-inch silicone moulds. You can find these on Amazon. They're originally cake moulds, aren't they?
Yep.
We've tested quite a few recipes for Yorkshire puddings. We found that these ones were the best ones. So we're going to go with these.
We are now going to pop the oil into our mould. We only want 1 teaspoon of oil. Now that our oven is piping hot, we are going to pop these bad boys inside. We are going to leave that oil for roughly 10 to 15 minutes until it is piping hot. Okay, we need to be speedy with this bit. We are going to put around 1 inch of mixture into each tub. We're going to pop these bad boys back in the oven and watch them rise. We will take these out until they are crunchy, crispy, golden brown on the top. Now that they are done, we are going to pop these out of the oven. Look at the size of them. As you can see by the size of these Yorkshire puddings, we have needed 2 plates when we have taken these out of their moulds.
You could save yourself the trip to DFS if you want to, because it's basically a sofa in Yorkshire pudding form. But they're obviously absolutely huge, fit perfectly on your Sunday dinner if you've got a plate big enough.
Yeah, maybe one of those big plates. Even better for your Christmas dinners. Now, do you want the big part?
I'll take the 3-piece, you can take the single sweet. Right.
Are you ready? Taste test.
So crunchy. Beautiful. Please try the recipe. Comment down below if you agree that this is the best Yorkshire pudding recipe.
Remember to like and subscribe so you can see what video comes next. See ya.